What is up? I don't know how to do this. Oh, what's up, guys? First YouTube video ever. And today, let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna be customizing a wall plate, a little light switch wall plate. It was $1. Not sure where I got it. It was just lying around my house, and I was like, hey, let's paint this and slap it on the wall in my room so I can look at it and be like, that is so cool, you know? Just turn on a light switch, just be like, wow, look at that. Look at that wall plate. So, we're gonna paint this bad boy. I'm gonna go put some spray paint on it, use my paint markers, and then we'll slap this on the wall and see how it looks. Let's go. So we finished the spray paint, pretty nice blend on there. Feeling good about it. Also, so my neighbor has gone all out decorating for Halloween this year. I don't know what made them want to put this on there, but they had a recording of this cat that's just screeching 24/7. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, wait. Like, what, why? Why is that part of your decoration? Like, that's so annoying. On the other hand, look at our decorations for Halloween. It doesn't get better than this. Check this out. You got the pumpkins down below and the orange lights going around. Look how cute this is. That's what Halloween's all about, you know, just touching the heart of little kids. Just going in to get some chocolate. Just a nice warm chocolate nougat on Halloween. There's nothing better. Boom. Let's take a little look-see. A little preview. Finished blending it with the spray paint. Now I gotta get my paint markers. Do a cool design on it. Also, you see these eye bags that I got going on here? These bad boys? That's just because I don't sleep ever. So that's why I look like this just 24/7. I always look tired and am tired all the time. I just don't sleep. I just wanted to get that out of the way for the video. So let's get back to it. I'm done. Did it. Look at this. Oh, that was clean. All right, so the wall piece is finished. Ooh-wee. Very nice. Wow. I'm so sorry. So, gonna go take off the old one and slap this bad boy on there. See how it looks. Let's do this. So here's the old wall plate. Pretty boring. Just white. But then, whoa!
Check that out.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, baby. Oh my god. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Comment down below what you want me to customize next. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace. You can still see me.